A Christmas Miracle in Evergreen. In the quaint town of Evergreen, where every corner was adorned with twinkling lights, and the aroma of freshly baked cookies filled the air, there lived a man named Henry. Henry, much like the town he lived in, had lost a bit of its sparkle. The once vibrant spirit of Christmas had faded from his heart, replaced by the monotony of routine. On the eve of Christmas, a peculiar package arrived at Henry's doorstep. It was from his estranged sister, Emma, whom he hadn't seen in years. The package contained a handwritten letter and a dusty old ornament. As Henry read the heartfelt letter, memories of joyous Christmases past flooded his mind. The ornament, a cherished family heirloom, was a symbol of love and togetherness. Touched by the unexpected gift, Henry decided to venture into town. The once forgotten magic of Christmas began to rekindle as he witnessed the joy on children's faces, the sounds of carolers, and the laughter of families. Inspired by the festive atmosphere, Henry started to spread kindness. He anonymously left presents on doorsteps, volunteered at the local shelter, and even organized a community potluck. The town, much like Henry, underwent a transformation. Evergreen became a haven of warmth, where neighbors became friends and strangers exchanged smiles. And so, in the heart of Evergreen, where snowflakes painted the town white and the spirit of Christmas was alive in every gesture of kindness, Henry discovered the magic of the season.